So hey guys, good morning. Sticks Channel nakakaroon sa Hootsdom, Lapu-Lapu kasi mga graduate naman sa batch 2024 Marigondon Elementary School. So mao ni siya atong pangitaon actually na rin na kuan kasama kong anak dito. Hindi na sa Prince. Ito ang malaki. Tawag ko na sa Prince. Tanawa dito, tanawon. So natin pangitaon ako. Mukban lang ko rin labang.
Para sa iyo. Yago Madrid. Sa kawi. Tangita ang balisakon, nanik na dos. May tanga sa upang kasugod. Hindi pa mo concern.
Ano yung sitwasyon sa mga graduating pero students sa Marigondon Elementary School?
Kaso lagi ang parent. Dapat na mo'y kuyog. Dili ang uyab ang kuyog ha. Mama din ang kapag. Ay uyab yung kuyog na lapita ang ilong.
So shout out sa mga parents ang parents skilled ko no.
Uyab na noy papasuhod sa organeran.
Mao ni nero na kuan na shout out.
Okay. Ang magpaso si mama dili ang uyab ha.
Yata karon sa Hootsdom.
May loves na noy papasuhod.
Sa batch class 2024 to sa ano sa Marigondon Elementary School.
Sige, sumpay lang ito daw.
So ang absent lang ko na mga pareha ko absent.
Ma. Pa. Dong, wao na. Panatas high school, last days na sugod. Okay. Dong, kuhan lang pugoy na mo? Last na kita. Asa yung section lang? Kaya nakasuot ka, maka-insert ka dito. Hindi ko mo maka-insert. Basta na ka? Mamuhay ka pinlang ani, kaya usari bit may ningkuranan.
Kasi Hootsdom actually class 2024 Marigondon Elementary School. So kasi si Sticks Channel pero ito yung ano sa City Hall sa sitwasyon.
You may now take your seats.
Honor our graduates and celebrate their achievements. To set the tone for this morning's event, let us welcome Gabriel Venice awardee with high honors for her welcome address. A resounding applause.
Who believe in the beauty of their dreams. City Mayor Honorable Junard Ahong Chan, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales, our assistant schools division superintendent, Dr. Ronald Y. Ferrier, our public schools district 5 supervisor of the curriculum implementation division, Dr. Oliver M. Tubulan, our education program supervisor in mathematics, Madam Cecilia O. Arsenal, our SEPS social mobilization.
They are eligible for transfer to the next higher level, which is grade 7. I am presenting them to you for approval, so that henceforth they will be turned over to their parents and the community with high hopes that they will become better citizens of the country. Dr. Tuburan, the candidates for graduation.
By our school's division superintendent, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales, and by the facts and figures presented to me by your school principal, Mrs. Maricho Ligan, and with the assurance that these learners from now on they are eligible for transfer to the next higher level of education, specifically grade 7, and can be accepted to any public and private institution of this country, the Philippines. Congratulations.
You may now take your seats. At this point in time, our graduates will be receiving their certificates. Let us welcome and congratulate the honorees and awardees of Marigondon Elementary School Batch 2024 graduates.
To give the awards and distribute the diplomas, let's welcome once again on stage our CID Chief, Dr. Oliver M. Tuburan. To be assisted
Presenting to you once again the graduates of Batch 2024 together with your diplomas.
Award, Conduct Award, Perfect Attendance Award, Garbus Lapu-Lapu Regional Showdown Grand Champion, recipient of Cordova Catholic Cooperative School Scholarship Award.
Amores Gerald P. Concert, second place, district level. Radio Broadcasting in Filipino, second place, district level. Recipient of Cordova Catholic Cooperative School Scholarship Award.
Amodia Franz Gabriel S. Garbo sa Lapu-Lapu Regional Showdown Grand Champion. Garbo sa Lapu-Lapu Regional Showdown Grand Champion.
Bahag Naklan M. Garbo sa Lapu-Lapu Regional.
Tumula Pian Gail N. With honors. Conduct Award. Baguio Chen May Grace F. Conduct Awardee.
Attendance Awardee, Division Festival of Talent Folk Dance 3rd place, Garbo sa Lapu-Lapu Ritual Show.
Donaire Iris May P. Ironico Venice A. Conduct Awardee. Nestle Wilderness Hathouse. Malubay Mary Faye T. With honors. Conduct Awardee and recipient of Cordova Catholic Cooperative School Scholarship Award.
Mansaras Renalyn T. With honors, Regional Festival of Talent and Fruit Carving 4th place, recipient of Cordova Catholic.
Sila sa mga mamo, ito, mga idol ng bayan. Yan.
Pineda Alexa R.
Fernandez Mayumi C. Conduct Awardee. USP Judo Contest 2nd place district level. Regional Festival Zaire J.B. Conduct Awardee. And bronze medalist Sina Sword and Dapper City. 2nd place. Oman Lyra Sibuyan Beats Jason Taguman John Awardee. Perfect Attendance Awardee.
So I graduated sa Marigondon Elementary School. I'm just an ordinary graduate. So ngayon na hindi ko parehas sa nag-graduate din kami. Medals, ribbons, or isa na niya. Wala. Una ka, sa katulong mga ordinary graduates din na. Paminaw na ako kay hindi doon ako YouTube, ako video sa lahat. Pag-read ko na ako, hindi ko mababasa.
Happy and sad. Happy for it signifies reaching one's dream, fulfillment, and accomplishments. It is also sad because it will also be an end of wonderful days, shared with classmates, friends, teachers, and schoolmates. It is a parting time.
Despite all these mixed emotions, the graduates still stand proud and for the last time, join hands and sing to their hearts the good times and share once again the wonder